My name's Jeremiah Slovarp, and I'm the president of Jereco Studios, technical director, and we're in my control room. I'm sitting here in front of the Yamaha Nuage, running Steinberg's Nuendo. We'll also run Pro Tools or Wavelab, any number of DAWs. This is a wonderful mixing console and is, the heartbeat of Jereco Studios. We run for monitoring Genelec monitors. These are 8351s, along with another set of 2-channel A77Xs by Atom. And over here we have a wonderful addiction of 500 series mic pre's. Got the Neve 1073, we've got the Neve 88R, API 512V, SSL VHD pre, the Focusrite Red 1, Millennia HV35, a pair of super saturated Rascal 2Vs, and this special little weapon here is the SSL G-Comp stereo compressor. That is an actual SSL stereo compressor instead of a model that people can't seem to replicate properly. And then over here we've got the La Chapelle tube mic pre. We've got the A-Designs P1, the Chandler Limited. This is the TG2 500. This is kind of modeled off of the Beatles EMI Abbey Road studio. An AEA RPQ 500 for ribbon mics, and then a pair of Grace M501s, also great for ribbon mics and really transparent, transformerless recording. So down here we have our audio interfaces. This is the Nuage Neos. We've got some patch bays, Focusrite ISA 828 with Dante output, our secret weapons, our Shelford channels from Rupert Neve Designs, some headphone patching. This space here is used for voiceovers and broadcast. It's just a little vocal booth. It's nice and small, tight, concise. We've had some really cool positive interaction with remote production teams, directors, and the local talent or traveling talent that comes into the booth to work with us. They're always shocked at how easy it can actually be here when they're traveling or dialing in from who knows where, and they're always shocked at how good and top quality the recordings can be. We do have great staff here, and we're really able to do a good job. One of the really cool things about this building overall is actually the old historic doors. First off, the building is very thick and solid. It's an old cold storage facility, but the doors themselves are old, I think 1912 Jameson swing locker doors, and they're just big, thick doors. They're kind of fun to open and close. In this space, we use it as a tracking room and recording room for voiceover, small bands, acoustic groups, drum sets that we want to be reflection-free and really dry, and makes a great recording space for things that we don't want any reverb or flutter happening in the room. This room is soffitted and curtained and otherwise totally reflection-free. One of the unique features that we have in this room is these bellows attached to the wall allow us to swing the wall kind of in or out. It's soft on the artist's side and shiny on the other, which gives us the ability to create reflections or brighten the room up or keep it really dark and dry. This mic here is kind of a unique mic. There aren't a whole ton of them out there. It's a Rupert Neve tube mic. It was, I would say, one of Rupert Neve's many gifts to the world, but it's just a really cool mic and it sounds outstanding. It's a beautiful little tube assembly inside there, and it's got a couple great sonic properties to it. It records really well. So this microphone is actually serial number 1. I don't know how that happened. I'm going to call it some dumb luck. This room here is used as another one of our tracking rooms. It is also the recording space and concert space for Live from the Divide.
This next one's called Idiot. I didn't mean to look right at you.
Jereco Studios is located in a really cool part of downtown Bozeman. It's got a great neighborhood feel, and clients will come in, they'll record with us, and then on their way out they'll go grab a cup of coffee at a sweet coffee shop or a pastry shop, something like that. It's a pretty special place.